want Next Generation EU to kickstart a European renovation wave and make our union a leader in the circular economy.
Renovation is a win-win solution. It will reduce energy bills and improve people's living conditions. It will create jobs and help recovery, and it will help us to become a carbon-neutral continent by the middle of this century.
The green recovery must begin where we live, work and study. We need better buildings to build back better. Our renovation wave will support families and businesses who want to insulate their homes and offices, green their roofs, install charging points for electric vehicles in their garages, or heat and cool their homes with self-generated renewable energy.